Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. As promised, we are making our pet soap today. I made these little doggy paws. They were made back in November. The video I made them in was posted on the 1st of January, so they have been curing for almost 4 months, which is good. I have to do that if I'm going to add the embeds to this soap, because those embeds are Castile soap. Castile soap takes, anywhere from 6 to 12 months to cure. And this pet soap is 70% olive oil, so I like this to cure for at least 8 weeks. So by the time this is cured, those should be fully cured, and we should be ready for our dog day at the farmer's market. So I am going to give you guys this recipe. I'll post it in the description box below. It is a very gentle recipe, and it's a bastille recipe. It's olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. There is powdered heavy cream in here. I do still add my yogurt, and in my lye water there is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar, like usual. So I'm going to add this first. Get this all out of there. And I'm going to get this to just before emulsification, and then we'll add our yogurt. Alright, the yogurt's going to go in. This yogurt just came out of the fridge, so this is going to cool our batter down quite a bit. Yeah, I was been so good about leaving it out on the counter, and not today. So, alright, let me get this all mixed in. And I'm going to get this to at least a medium trace. Alright, let's scrape Simon off here. Alright. And I'm forgot to grab the other mold, because I think I'm going to have a little bit too much. And I have quite a few neighbors that have animals, and I'm going to gift the leftover stuff to them. So let's bring our mold in here. Get this out of the way. So we are using the same mold that we did with the Castile soap. So I'm not gonna fill them all the way to the top, because I have to put that embed in there. And if I have to, I'm sure I'm gonna have to go get that other mold. I will keep that pour. It's it's the same thing. I don't color this soap, and I don't fragrance this soap, because animals are allergic to so many things. So many essential oils can be toxic to animals. If you wanted to scent this soap, I would suggest you do some major research on what is safe and not safe for whatever breed, or whatever, whether it's cats, dogs, whatever pet you have, ferrets, rats, whatever pet you have, make sure that whatever fragrance you're using is not toxic to that animal. So like I said, we don't want to strip, it's a gentle recipe, because we also don't want to strip all of those natural oils from their skin. So, alright, I'm going to bang this, and we're going to let it set up, and we will add our little paw prints. We're going to put our little doggy paws on. This is activated charcoal that I painted at the bottom of the mold. Okay, we're going to try to put our doggy paws on, because they're kind of heavy. I want to push them down just a little bit. Just an incy bit. And I will let this soap sit in the mold for about 3 or 4 days, depending on, you know, what's going on and how quickly it saponifies completely. Just like Castile soap, because it has such a high olive oil content, it tends to be very, very soft in the beginning, and then it gets rock hard. So, alright, I will put the rest of these on here, and then in a couple of days we will unmold them together. So I will see you then. Bye bye. Okay guys, we are back to unmold our pet soap, and I forgot to tell you what this was called, but I'm sure it would be obvious to those of you who know me pretty well. This soap is called Puppy Love. So we're just gonna pull it apart, no big deal, and pop it out. And there she is. And I love how this mold is concave. I really do. Just gonna pull a couple of these out for you to see, and then I'll unmold the rest of it off camera. And yeah, I'm gonna take some out of the flower mold I put it into. Now again, I let these cure for at least 8 weeks because of the Castile soap. Paw print on the top has only been curing for 4 months, and there's a very, I'm going to put the recipe for this in the description box below. And I let it cure for so long because there's such a high olive oil content in it. Oh, where's my other tray? There it is. I had to find it. And we have this one. I love this one. It's one of my favorites. All these little flower ones are going to go to my neighbors for their pets. We have lots of neighbors with pets. I can't wash my pets because my cats would probably try to eat me if I did. So that's it, guys. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.